Welcome to Cooking with Tea. It would be me. I'm going to show you how to make a banana pudding my way. I have some off-brand vanilla wafers. Some people don't mind. And I have some dull bananas. Well, let's get started. I'm only making a small one. I'll be opening the boxes. And me myself prefer Keeblers. It's like they have a different taste to them. But first I'm going to layer the bottom of the bowl with the cookies. Don't matter whether they're upside down or not. It's at the very bottom. And then I'm going to make layer after layer. I'm going to show you it's on your own preference how thick you make your banana. Me, I like medium size. Medium size slices. I'm going to do this probably about 4 bananas until I get it nice and covered. And then I'm going to put another layer of cookies. And then I'm going to repeat until I'm reach to where I'm going on the ball. And when I'm done, I'll be back to let you see what's next. Okay, I'm back. I'm finishing up the top layer. You know, I thought this was going to be bigger than it is, but nevertheless, I'm going to finish up. Put the rest, I got one more banana. And then we're going to layer the top off with cookies. And then I'm going to take you in the kitchen where we're going to cook up our pudding. Now, I told you it didn't matter in the other part of the video of how you lay your cookies, but on the top layer, you want to make it look nice. So it does matter to turn them up to me. Like I said, everybody does it a little different. So I'm showing you the way T does it. Might be the same way you do it, it might be different. Uh-oh. There we go. It's my grandson's birthday today, Junior. And the noise you hear in the background, they're beginning to show up. And that's okay, because I'm Nana. And they love coming over Nana's house. Nana try to make it fun for them all the time. So, my mama did the same. She was big mama. Now, we didn't use all the cookies. That's okay, that's for another pudding. Now, there you go. I'm going to make my pudding, and then I'm going to pour it down, and it's going to trickle down through the cookies and the bananas. And then we're going to put it in the refrigerator for about maybe 2-3 hours. Make sure it's good and chilled. because the sauce, the pudding, I have to make, I'm making it from scratch, and it's going to be hot. So when I pour it into here, once it gets cool, really cool, and thickens up, it's going to be very delicious. So we're going to go in the kitchen. I'll meet you on the stove top. Hi, I'm back. Now, to make our pudding. Alright, I got my salt in my pan. Now, I'm going to put in 2 cups of canned milk. And I'm going to put 4 egg yolks. You know what, in another video, I'll do it step by step with you. But this time, I didn't, and I do apologize. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my fire on a high. And I'm going to whisk this around. Matter of fact, it's not too late. I'm going to get my whisk. I have here, instead of my spoon. And the reason is, because you want to constantly stir. Constantly stir. Because you don't want the yolk of the egg to bubble up on you. Or cook on you. I've never had it to cook on me, so my mom, I've seen her do it a million times, and then she did it with me one time, and that's been over 30 years ago, so I'm pretty much okay with it. You want to start it out on a high fire, because by the time you want everything to just heat up, warm up. Now I'm going to turn it down to a medium fire. Like I said, some of us do it the same way, some of us do it differently. Now, I'm going to put some banana extract. Yes. You know what? I've always basically fixed it with vanilla extract, because they don't really sell it where I live. And my mom was in Georgia. She could get it anytime. Well, I found the banana extract at Walmart. So, I'm going to have to eyeball it, because Mama never measured it out for me. So, I pour me a nice amount. I guess if I have to guess at it, I'd say about a tablespoon. And we put 2 cups of sugar. It's about 2 cups. And you want to stir it till you get all your mixtures, combined, and you can tell when that sugar dissolves. Now, I made up some, you can see, I made up some thickener. A lot of people use cornstarch. Me, I was raised on flour. Flour and water. It's a thickener to a whole lot of things. So, now, believe it or not, I know for a fact, I'm looking. I have no egg lump ups. I'm going to get a spoon. Oh yes, it looks good. And it smells good. And it just dripped on my hand, so you know it ain't really hot. And it tastes very good. Very good. Now, you know, every time I used to do this, I have my daughter in here helping me, and I'd have her or my husband to pour the thickener in. And see, I like to make my thickener kind of thick. That way I won't use that much. But I'm going to use about that much. Some people pour their flour, just flat out flour into it. Me, I always mix my flour and water together. I try using cornstarch, but I guess I'm so used to using flour. Just didn't work out for me. So, you want to stir it till, again, it coats the back of a spoon. I really use this spoon because I don't feel like the thickness that I'm looking for. Back to my whisk. That whisk does wonders. I can feel it getting thick. And I'm going to tell you guys this, especially you beginners. If you get lumps in your pudding, don't get discouraged. I did a couple of times, you know, when I first started out doing this. And I took my shifter, I'm going to show you right quick. It's not that hot. I took a shifter, something so like this, and I pour my pudding in it so none of the lumps will get in there. Then I pour it over my banana pudding. Voila. So, again, if you get any lumps in it, don't get disturbed. If it tastes good to you, use it. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, now I feel that it's getting thick. I'm going to turn my fire off. It's thickening up for me just like I want it. Like I said again, if you get lumps in it, get you a little strainer and you strain it through it. Get your lumps out. You got perfect pudding. Look at that. Can you see down in here? Yes. Oh, and it smells so good. Let me take a final taste. Bon appetit. It's ready. Now, we're going to go pour it over our cookies and bananas. Here. You didn't start yet, did you? Mm-hmm. I'm going to go get my dipping spoon. I'll be right back. I needed to, I like to just spoon it right on over. Yes, uh-oh. I like to pour it over all your cookies. You know what, most of the time when I do this, I end up making more pudding than I need. That's another reason I like to do it in a glass bowl. Because it is pretty much, you can see where your pudding is, opposed to your cookies. My pudding is about right here. So I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop now. Because I don't want it too soupy. Too much pudding. I don't want too much pudding. Yeah, it's about, I don't know. Let's do one more spoon. Alright. Now, we'll place this in the refrigerator at least 2 to 3 hours where it's good and chilled. Because again, you see me just take this off the stove. And when it's ready, I'll show you the finished touch of my banana pudding. Made Emma Jean's way. Okay, bye-bye.